Instagram has added new variations to their popular Superzoom feature on Instagram Stories. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you the new variations of Instagram's Superzoom feature and how to use them. Now let's get started. To access Superzoom on Instagram Stories, open Instagram and tap the camera icon in the top left corner. Then select Superzoom at the bottom. Above the shutter button, you'll see several icons appear. This is the new way to select the variation of Superzoom you want to use. Previously, when there were only a few variations, you had to tap the screen to switch modes. Swipe sideways over these icons to see more. Tap one of these icons to select it. When you select a Superzoom mode, its name will appear on your screen. Then, point your camera at whatever you want to shoot a video of. Tap your screen wherever you want to zoom in. You'll then see a rectangle appear over the area that will be zoomed in on. If you don't tap your screen, it'll just zoom in towards the middle. Now, tap and hold the shutter button at the bottom to record a video with the Superzoom effect you've selected. Here's a demo of the 6 new Superzoom modes. Hearts, Paparazzi, Fire, Nope, Bummer, and Surprise. Of course, the 4 original modes are also still available. That's it for this video on the new variations of Superzoom for Instagram Stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.